conveniences of today. That's an ice box. Science tells us that hot air rises and cold air falls, so you lift the lid, you put a big block of ice, the cold air would fall down and cool off whatever you had in your ice box. As the ice melted, there was a hose that went from the bottom of the top compartment into the bucket underneath, and then you'd have to dump out the water. People did laundry by either heating water in a wash boiler, or that silly contraption over there was called a wonder washer, which we don't think is very wonderful. It's very small. Couldn't have taken more than maybe one sheet in it, and you had to agitate it by hand and then use the wringer to squeeze the water out and then hang the clothes up on the clothesline. Those things over there are called laundry plungers, and they actually pumped up and down in the wash bucket in order to agitate the laundry.
Oh, okay.
We today have a lot of different kinds of laundry detergents, but they didn't have those. But they did sell a bar of soap that was called wash soap, and they could chip off chunks of it and put it in this thing called a soap saver. And they'd shake it, and you can see how it just sort of powders and forms. That's how they would get the soap into the laundry water. Right across the street from here is an office building, but that used to be Bonnydale Farms. It was a dairy farm that worked up into the 1950s, and kind of hard to believe that we had dairy cows out here, but we did. And this is a milk bucket or milk box from Bonnydale Farms, as well as some of the bottles from the local dairy.